1,350,000 ang 250 grams. Ngayon, 37,000. Ito, bali na ano, 1,150,000. Mga kahit ganito kalaki lang. 1,000,000, halos 1,000,000 na nagastos namin. 955. Hello. So yun, dito na tayo sa souvenir. So, pwede na tayo mamili ng coffee. Ay! Oh no! Sa kabila?
Ay, okay, sa kabila.
Oh, sorry. Paside, sorry.
Nasa akin yung susi. Ganda.
Wow.
Ito, monkey.
Ubod bali, may monkey.
Ayan, monkey.
Ref magnet. So yun, nandito na tayo sa souvenir shop. So, mamimili na tayo ng coffee. Ayan.
From here, the female or male?
Which is stronger?
The male.
The male, the male luwak is stronger than the female.
The female. We have 50 gram until 250.
Okay.
And over there, the yellow is a male one. Same, we have 50 gram until 20.
Is this one is on sachet, right?
No, this is the bean.
Beans,
Yeah.
all bean, okay.
What is the difference?
Only different grams.
Okay.
50, 100,
Yeah,
150, 250. Okay.
Yeah. And we accept cash and card as well, yeah?
Oh, cash and card. Okay.
1.350.
1,350,000 ang 250 grams. So, yun. 1 million, guys. Pero rupiah siya. Oh, this is the sachet one.
Good for gift also.
Good for gift.
You can give one people for one sachet inside like this. Include with a
Okay.
filter.
So, how much is?
We have 4 sachet and egg sachet.
Oh, 4 and 8.
Yeah.
So, 400 and 800. Okay.
Yeah. They also good for present and also
What's the difference between yellow and...
yellow is stronger, red is less stronger.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
1.3.
1,300.
Mahal. Ito ay 2,000.
Ano to? Ah, incense. T-shirt, meron din sila. Bali t-shirt. How much? 146,000. May mga ano din sila, wood crops. Ano yan? Sabon? Yan.
Akala ko, right terraces tayo. Ang layo.
Wood crops, angas nito.
Oh, Felisa yan oh. Ayan.
Oh,
46.
46,000. Chips. Chips. Tea? Ito pala yung mga tea. Oh, vanilla coffee.
200.
How much? 215,000 vanilla coffee. Avocado coffee.
1,000.
215 avocado. How much? Ginseng coffee.
Yung
Chocolate coffee, masarap to. Chocolate. Ito, coconut coffee, sarap din. Coconut coffee. Sarap.
inom mo, bibili.
Hmm?
Pang-inom.
How much dito? Oh, almost the same lahat. Mangosteen, ginger, turmeric. Ito, hibiscus, my favorite. Maasim talaga. Lemongrass. So yung umuha kami ng hibiscus tsaka coconut. Masarap yan. Ano pa ba? Mangosteen. Kuha tayo ng mangosteen. Masarap to. Favorite, mangosteen tea and ito Roselia, hibiscus. Tapos coconut, masarap din. So, yan. Okay. Kumuha din kami ng luwak. Matry. Ito, luwak coffee. How much ang rep magnet? 75. Magkano ang 75,000? Yan, may mga pamaypay din. Pamaypay, 155. Wallet na malaki. T-shirt. Ayan. Luwak coffee t-shirt. 169,000. Ito, mga ano. Handicraft. Gaganda. Solid yung gawa nila. 15 million. 35 million. Oh no. 36 million. Ito, mga incense. Jasmine. Lavender. Ito, meron dito pala ref magnet. Mga wood siya. Ayan. Ito, madamihan. 48,000. Keychain yan. Ito, ref magnet. 48 o Bali. Welcome to Bali. 48. Papan display sa bahay.
Yun lang talaga.
Tabi, mura lang dito sa baba, oh. Ngayon, 37,000. Ito, Bali na ano. Map, map ng Bali. Ito, I love Bali. Mask. My friend went to Bali and all I get is this lousy mug. 37,000. No, 100 grams, mas mura. 130,000 lang. So, ayun na yung binili namin para lahat ng ma-try namin. Vanilla, coconut, avocado, ayan. Meron din silang mga figurine. Ang gaganda, maliliit lang. So, itong nakapikit, 90,000. 90,000 yung nakapikit. Ito. Pero maganda yung 1,150,000. Mga kahit ganito kalaki lang. Ayan, 89,000. Elephant. Monkey is 95,000.
Bali ko. Tikman mo na.
And Gate of Heaven, 1,150,000. Dalawa na. 1 million.
Nasa 3,000.
Medyo maliit siguro. $5 million. Isang milyon, halos 1 million na nagastos namin. 955. Hello. 955. Tapos yung binayaran namin ng taste na is 50,000 kanina sa luwak. So, bali 1,005,000. And that's it for today, guys. Next up, let's go to Rice Terraces. Thank you for watching. Suksuma!
Basmata is higher.
Sorry?
It's like more stairs, like that steps.
The one that we're going to?
Yeah.
Yes. Magellan, it means goodbye.
Oh, salamat jalan. Goodbye. How would you say thank you?
In Bali, we would say suksama.
Suksama?
Yes. That just in Bali. Like in Indonesia in general, we would say terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima
Terima
kasih.
kasih. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. It means
Terima
thank
kasih.
you.
Selamat jalan.